Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can have this cool street light animating wallpaper on your iPhone lock screen, as you can see right here. So let's begin the video. On your iPhone you are going to open any browser. I am going to open Safari, and in the search you are going to search for street lamp in fog iPhone wallpaper. So it's going to show you these different wallpapers. You can simply go to the images section and it will show you even more wallpapers, so you can choose any wallpaper of your choice. Let's just choose this one for this video. Now we're going to open the wallpaper again. So you should try to have some wallpapers where there is black and white contrast, like in this one, so that the animation looks really good. So once you have chosen your wallpaper, just long press on it, click on save to photos, go back, open your photos app, and now with the image click on this share button, scroll down, click on use as wallpaper, and you can adjust it according to your need. Once you are satisfied, just click on add, set as wallpaper, and that's done. If I close it and just tap on my screen, we have this cool animating wallpaper. So you can see we have these street lights turning on, which looks really cool on the iPhone. So again, try to choose a wallpaper where you have these lights and the dark background. In that way you're going to have the best animating wallpaper. So yeah guys, this is the quickest way to have these cool animating wallpapers on your iPhone. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.